Welcome to MacroCode. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. So today we are going to proceed with our hospital management system. So as you can see, this is our login screen. So I'm going to sign in. So once I sign in, this is our dashboard. We have the dashboard patients. We have the billing, all appointments. Under appointments, we have the appointments. Then we have the appointment slots. We have the outpatient, inpatient, pharmacy, radiology, blood bank, ambulance, front office, duty roster, human resource, where we have the employees and we'll be adding more. Then administration, where we have the department, countries, and all the rest. So you can create, for example, country. If I come here and say TZ, this is Tanzania, then I save, then you should be able to see the data here. So this is part of the project that you're doing. So if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. We are back and we'll be doing more series daily and even weekly. So be ready to follow and also subscribe to our channel. And in case you want the source code, you can also claim the source code using the link down below. So I'm going to go to appointments. So on our appointment slots, this is based on our previous video. So if I just click add new appointment, you'll see we have the start time, end time, the doctor name, and the shift name. But as you can see here, we have the start time. It is giving us the date and also the end time. So we need to change that. So to change that, we need to go to our model. So on our model, you can see here we are doing start time and end time. So currently in C#, you can actually do time only, and this will be time only. So this time only will necessitate us to do migration. So I'll just go to tools and you get package manager console, and I'll just add migration. So I'll just say add migration, and I'll just do appointment slot. So you can say, can give it the name. This will be our appointment slot time updates. Then add migration, click enter, then it will add migrations. So if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed and you've been following our series, please consider subscribing, like the video. We notice 90% of you guys have not subscribed and you are watching our videos. So the next command here will be update database. Then we will be able to see a lot of changes in our database. So actually, if you open this particular, so it's actually running, and we'll be able to see the commands that are being added to our database. So you can see here, it is actually doing some things. So it is actually doing a modification, and you can see start time, it is changing the time from date time to time. So the next thing that we need to do on our add migration slot, we need to change this to mad. So we are using mad Blazor. So we'll just do mad time picker. And this will be able to now use time. So once we have that, then we should be able to send our data to the database and we should be good. So let's relaunch our app and see. So we can even put a breakpoint here so that we see what is being done. Then we can now create our app and do everything. But there's one thing that we missed. So on our system codes, we need to add shifts. So let's just go here and under appointment slots, if we click add, the time, you can see it is giving us time and I'm able to choose the time. It's also giving us time and I'm able to choose that. Then the doctor, now we don't have the shifts. This means we didn't define it. So we need to define the shift. So to define the shifts, we'll go to system code and here we can add, we can say shifts. So we'll need to add the same code, we have it here. So we'll just do here. So we'll just do here shifts. Just do shifts. Then we say here appointment shift. Then if I save this, then I'll have my shift. But now I need to provide the options. So I'll just do morning. So you have the morning shift, morning. Then this is, I'll do morning shift. Then here I'll select shifts, appointment shifts. So if I save, then I can also add evening. and I can say evening shift. Then I'll just do here. Then I can save. Then I can also do night. Let's just do night. Say night shift. Then this will be a shift. So if we save, then that's cool. So if we go to appointment slots, then we should be able to see our shifts here. So we can see them. And now we can try to put in the time. We say this guy starts from 1. Let's say 1, then 0. Then here does up to 3:30. Then this doctor is macro code, and that is can actually put in morning. So let's just do here. We'll do 8. Let's change this to 8. That's the time. Then up to 11:30. So if you do that and click save, let's see our form. So this is our form. So we want to see if we have our data validated. Let's just see if everything is okay. So if we move up to here, you'll notice that our model now, it has the shift ID, it has the created by, it has the created on, end time and start time. So you can see, but the end time and start time, it's actually not it's not being applied. So we need to check that. So if I just proceed, what is the issue here? It is telling us cannot with foreign key constraints status. So we've not added the status. So what we need to do, we need to also provide the shift statuses. So let's just appointment statuses. So we log into our app. Then here on the system codes, we need to have appointment slots, status, appointment slots status, and this will be appointment slot status. So if I save that, then we'll come to codes, and you can do active. Then you can say active, and this will be appointment slot status. You can also add another one. You say inactive, and this one is inactive. Then we have this one. So if we save, and you can also have you can say blocked. Then you can say this is blocked. So if we have that, then I can add this. So we'll have that. Then down here, we'll need to, I think we had added something like that on our one of our employees or something. Yes. So you can see this is the status. So if we go to our appointment slots, so what we need, we'll retrieve the status, you can see. And to retrieve it, you come here and you need to use the code. So I'll just use my code. The code here is, I think there are many, so let's do 50. So this is the appointment slots, and then we need the active status. Then here, I'll just do status ID, then I'll assign the active status here, then ID. So if I do that, and if I just proceed and try to launch our app, then you should be able to add the appointment slots. So if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, like the video, and also comment down below. So I'm just going to open our app, sign into the app, and you should be able to create something here. So here I'll do appointment slots. I'll pick my time. So let me just go back. I'll do 8. Then I'll also do up to 12. Then I'll do here macro code, then morning shift. Then if I click appointment, proceed. So let's just add a breakpoint to our repository here. So if I proceed, there we go. We have our model. And if we proceed, we have our active status. You can see we have the ID and status is active and everything is there. So if I proceed, you can see our appointment has been created. You have the doctor, shift name, start date, and end time. Created by and created on, we haven't populated, so we can populate that. So let's go to appointments. Then here we need to have the shift. So this is the doctor name, shift name. Then we have the two fields. So here we need the start time, and also we need the end time. So those are the two fields that we are missing. So once we have that, we can update our app and our form should be looking good. So you can see this is how it looks. So if we add another shift, so I'll just do that and I can say to that, this is the doctor and this is the morning shift. So if I save, let's remove the breakpoint. And here you can see we've done so we've added the shifts and you can see the time is not being taken into account. So we need to ensure that our time is being saved. So I'm going to leave it there for today. As you can see, we are able to save our appointments and see you in our next episode. Bye.